Alright, let's get real for a second. What if I told you your race isn't actually coded in your DNA? A massive new study just dropped in the American Journal of Human Genetics looked at the DNA of over 230,000 people in the US, and the results are kinda mind-blowing. The researchers found that the genetic differences between people who call themselves the same race, like Black or Asian or white, are often way bigger than the differences between those groups. In fact, most genetic variation happens these self-reported groups, not between them. It's not like there are neat, clear-cut genetic buckets that match up perfectly with the racial or ethnic categories we use. Instead, the study found gradients of genetic variation. It's like colors blending on a paint palette, not strict lines on a map. And when you zoom in, even people who use the same label, say Hispanic in California versus New York, can have totally different ancestral backgrounds thanks to history, migration, and big events like the transatlantic slave trade. So if you're filling out one of those check-the-box forms at the doctor's office, your answer doesn't really tell anyone much about your DNA. The scientists behind this study say we shouldn't use race or ethnicity as shortcuts for genetic ancestry in research or medicine. There's just too much complexity. Now, this isn't to say race and ethnicity don't matter. They shape our lives and society in huge ways. But when it comes to genetics, the story is way messier and way more fascinating than a simple label. So next time someone says your DNA tells the story of your race, you can let them know it's not that simple. Our genes are full of surprises, and they don't read the same story our social categories do. Kinda wild, right?